Start with breaking news this afternoon. Governor Tom Wolf has confirmed the first 2 cases of coronavirus in Pennsylvania. And the governor has now issued an emergency disaster declaration. Nicole Ford is here with more on what the governor is saying about the cases and how the health department says you can stay healthy. Nicole.
Well, Christine, Governor Tom Wolf is calling these 2 cases presumed positive. He says 2 adults tested positive for the coronavirus by the Pennsylvania's health department this morning. Those results must be confirmed by the CDC. Now, while neither of these cases is in our area, the governor is calling on everyone to be prepared. After 5 weeks of preparation and monitoring, Governor Tom Wolf announces the first 2 cases of coronavirus in Pennsylvania Friday morning.
One is in Delaware County and the other is in Wayne County.
The governor says both adults are now quarantined to their home, unable to leave for any reason. Meanwhile, the state's health department is planning to test anyone who had contact with these 2 adults.
So we know who these individuals are. We know their history in terms of how they contracted the virus. And so we will now be going systematically through contacts and assessing those who've been in contact with these people, doing appropriate testing.
Both the governor and state health department secretaries say this is only the beginning. They anticipate more cases to be diagnosed in the coming weeks.
Right now, the emphasis of the plan is mitigation tactics to keep this virus from spreading widely. The confirmation of these presumed positive cases should serve as a reminder of the role that every Pennsylvanian must continue to play.
An emergency response team is continuing to keep in contact with healthcare providers, and the ability to test for coronavirus is expanding. While these 2 adults are quarantined for 2 weeks, the governor wants to remind the public that if you do have any symptoms, do not be afraid to call.
People who are concerned about they might have been exposed to COVID-19 would call our number, 1-877-PA-HEALTH, discuss it with our staff, or they would call their doctor or hospital, and then they would call us.
Now, we have learned that a Pittsburgh couple was tested for coronavirus on Wednesday. This coming after they were on a cruise to Mexico where 2 passengers tested positive. They tell me both their tests were negative, but the health department quarantined them for 14 days. Christine?